Well, I am monitoring everything here on my phone because on the DJI Osmo Nano, which is brand new by the way, and I have right now, you can't see the video that is going on here. So I'm gonna have that there. But guys, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today. I have everything in this Target bag. As you can see, I already ripped this out because stupid California passed a law where we gotta have these dumb paper bags. So let's go into what I have here first. So the first one is gonna be this StopBox right here. You guys already know, follow my content. You guys know that I was at SHOT Show and your boy was able to do the simulation twice and shot below 1.5 seconds. So that is what I get. I get the StopBox Top Shot. You know what I'm saying? This is a little EDC POV if you're not already catching my riff. But on the inside, it has instructions on how to change your combination. Really like this box. Keeps your firearms safe. And I got 2 of those. You know what I'm saying? So let me put that aside. Close that up. Okay. And then this is also something I got brand new. This is the Olight PLX. Their brand new weapons light. And what's really cool about this is that it has 1200 max lumens. It has a throw of 300 meters and a multi-fit rail system. What I also like about this, let me open this up. You guys get that feel right here, you know what I'm saying? Read me, please fully charge the battery before use. Okay, cool. And you got all your extra stuff in there. You have your, this is pretty much it right here. Oh, so this is your light. And you have the different modes here. So you have a flood and you have a spotlight that you can change. There's a ratcheting locking feature, which is cool. And then you can adjust the height and the position of where your rail system is on your weapon. So that way you can adjust that there. Is this already charged? Oh, it is. So, ooh, 2, boom. All right, and then if I change this up, now you have that light. See that? So you got mode switch here. You got your actuators right here. And then I'll be doing a separate video of all these things I unbox, but that's cool. Got the PLX light, then you get an Allen's wrench. You get a, it looks like a Glock rail adapter, an extra screw, and then you got your charging cables right here. And what's cool about this, which is different, is you notice they don't have their proprietary charger like I have on my Valkyrie Olight PL1. Look at that, USB-C. USB-C charging. Awesome. Like how they're switching that up and not going proprietary, because I feel like that's where other companies beat them out. So put that away here. Now we got other stuff to unbox. So this right here is from Kansept. And what is this? This is the designer of this is Jesse Pauley. This is black wash titanium. This is the driver R Saurus. Ooh, take a look at this. Okay, so you have your bits here, and then you have your bit driver. Nice little fidget action there. And then right here it's magnetic, so let me just grab one of these bits, push that there, boom. So it's not magnetic, so that's my qualm about that. All right, actually look at that, falls off. So I don't know if that's faulty because it looks like it's a little rusted in there, but it's not magnetic. Something I look for in bit drivers is a magnetic feature, and that's not there. So, but this is a bit driver nonetheless. Maybe I'll reach out to Kansept, ask them about that. Because see, look at here, it just falls out. It's not even sticking to it. Let me try another bit. Maybe it's the bit. Nope, trying T15. I shake that hard enough, that'll fall out. But that is a bit driver by Kansept. This is something I've tested out before. This is the Primate. Now this is in green titanium with zombie pattern. What? Ooh. Come on, guys. That's freaking awesome. Take a look at that. So one thing I did notice about this Osmo Nano is that it does not have a focus feature. So you're kind of getting everything from point of view, which is the point of this camera. It's an Osmo action camera. But guys, the Primate is a really nice pry tool. I really like that. So green zombie titanium. Now, last thing from Kansept is going to be a carabiner in black wash titanium as well. And this is by Justin Cook. So, oh wow, look at that. That is pretty badass. Clip is good. Nice. Nothing worse than getting a carabiner and this clip is faulty. But this clip is very strong and it's super light because it's titanium. You have your bottle opener here. You got different loop points right here if you want to add any other keys. Or if you want to, nah, you wouldn't use that. That's stupid. But this right here is a carabiner. Very nice. I like that. So put that back in here. Blot out. And now we got this from Arena Accessories. Arena Accessories. Okay. They reached out to me, asked if I wanted to check this out. And this I'm super excited for because I've kind of been weaving away from traditional pocket knives. And I've been having this craze for utility blades. And what's cool about this utility blade is that it's an OTF. See that? That's right. And the blades are an easy swap. So you can easily just push this back. That takes the blade out. Just like so. And then same way. You want to put that back. Goes into there, locks in place. Want to make sure it locks in place too because you don't want that shooting out and then it launches. That just comes down. So there you have it, guys. Anything else in this plastic bag? Nope. Look at that. Even putting the stop boxes in here, freaking rip this bag. Terrible. But I got this new out the front. I'll make sure I have links to all this, guys, in the description. Out the front utility blade. I also got the Kansept Primate. I got the Kansept Carabiner. Also, the Kansept bit driver, which I gotta reach out to them because the magnet is not working. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but it looks like it's rusted. I got the new PLX. Super excited for this, actually. Only problem now is finding holsters that'll fit this. And then, obviously, your boys with Top Shot, and I got me some stop boxes. So there you have it, guys. Your POV unboxing for today. Thank you guys so much for sending this over. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.